What's up, guys? We're back after like 2 weeks of just like insanely hot temperatures and like biblical rains in between. The weather's finally chilling out in Jersey and we've been getting some stuff done around here. The other night Mason was working on the Shovelhead. I put the cylinder heads back on and all. I think he did a helicoil in one of the cylinder heads for the exhaust stud and buttoned a bunch of stuff up. Got it running the other night on the stand. Obviously still needs to be put back together all the way, but it does runs good. I've been just messing around doing some stuff, polishing this bumper up for the OBS, stuff that I can do that's not too involved because it's super hot, like I said. But the most exciting part is I did buy another car and it's awesome, and I'll be showing you guys that now. So I bought this GD3 Fit. It's a 5-speed. It's pretty clean. It's an 08. It's a sport, so it has the wing. Pretty hype on this because my mom's driving my Hyundai now. So I needed something for a daily, and I wanted something that was a little bit more fun than the Venue, which hopefully that this takes its spot as a fun daily. It's pretty clean overall. The previous owner like kind of loved the color pink, so it has like pink brakes on it, and a couple other weird little things, and it has like 100 Honda logos in the car. So I guess this lady really liked Hondas. But it seems pretty well taken care of. I bought it from like 2 hours away from me. Made the drive home with little to no issues. The ABS light flicked on and flicked off. But other than that, it's got like the windows doesn't go down on this side, or it's off track on this side, and the trunk latch doesn't work, and it has the little starter noise that some of the Fits have where it kind of sticks on for a second after turning the key.
And this thing's gonna go. Oh, the steering wheel's much better than I actually thought it was gonna be. Usually they're ruined under these. Sadly, it looked like she had one of those adhesive phone mounts on the dash, which kind of ruined the dash right there. But overall, the interior is pretty clean. Don't mind that. I'm waiting on a trunk latch to come in because the trunk does not work. It's got some Honda floor mats. Something about Honda people is I swear they have like the craziest brand loyalty. I'm like super pumped on this though. I've been like really wanting one of these. I did, if you guys didn't know, I did race an SCCA for like a fucking 1/8 of a season, and I drove a GE Fit, so a Generation 2 Fit. And ever since I drove that, they're just like a blast to drive, and I thought it'd be like the best thing to have as a daily. And with something like this, it's like I could throw parts at it and it'd still be drivable. I don't want to like mess with the reliability of it. Just like some coilovers and wheels and some fun stuff, and we'll be able to rip it around. Go on some little road trips in it. I already spent a little bit of time peeling some stickers and logos off. I had like a huge pink Honda banner here. And like I said, obviously it kind of sucks, but you can like see there's like a Honda badge right here, and it kind of messed up the paint. And you can see my pink brake calipers and my pink brake drums in the rear, because these do have drum rears. But overall, it's a pretty clean little car. I mean, I didn't really like shake it down yet, but like I said, the drive was really long from the person I bought it from, and it made it here fine. And I've been driving it after I got it registered, and all is well so far. It's a really good cleanup. And it's got some wear. It has 180K on it, so it's got some scratches on the lip. Headlights are all hazed out. Missing some clear coat on the sport wing, because like I said, this is a sport, so it has the spoiler. And it looks like she might have backed into something at one point, but that's no big deal to me. But I'm seriously like beyond excited for this. I've wanted one for a while, so I think this will be a really fun project, and I think it'll be really fun to document this on the channel. And I think we're going to start the videos. I'll do like a full detail on it because it really needs just a good cleaning. But the rest of the fleet, I'm trying to prioritize what I'm doing here. Muscle truck, sadly, will probably be the first one to go. I'm going to do tires on it and a steering box, and then it'll probably be up for sale or trade. So if anybody here in the comments wants it, I know I don't really have like subscribers like that, but if anybody wants it, I'll give somebody a deal on it if they are a subscriber of the channel and you live local. I'm not shipping it anywhere. So yeah, that's this steering box and front tires. I'll do that. M3 backburnered. It is running better though after I fixed the intake leak. It's chilling here. Mom's driving this now, and then the TDI Jetta came back. Mason obviously has been here, so he's got my 2nd gen running. So we brought the Jetta back here, and dude, I can't bring myself to hate this car, because it is obviously very clap, but it is very good. It refuses to let me down. It drives fine. It's an auto, so it's boring, but it's funny. I think we're gonna do some like headlights and marker lights, and it sounds like the downpipe might be broken underneath, or like a flex pipe, so maybe I'll fix that up, do some maintenance on it. We'll do videos on all of it. But yeah, I mean, this is like we had a slow beginning of the year for the channel, just like content wise. I've just been lazy, to be honest, but now I kind of got all these projects, and they're not too in depth, so I'll be making some videos. Hopefully we can start cranking some progress out on a lot of this stuff. But yeah, man, this is just like a quick little update video. Like I said, the next one we'll be doing like a full detail on the fit, so definitely keep an eye out for that. And we'll probably be touching base with Mason and his Shovelhead soon, because if you're from around here, there's a motorcycle show called Cheap Thrills in Millville in October, and Mason's bike is in that show, so we're going to be getting that done and getting that ready for that show. And the Race of Gentlemen is coming up, and we'll be at both those things. So remember to like the videos, comment, subscribe, whatever, and we'll see you guys on the next one.